Третий класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. На старт, внимание, марш. Страница 117. English, Spotlight 3. Homework. Get ready. Get set, go. Page number 117. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 117. 117. Spotlight on the USA. Get ready, get set, go. Exercise number 1. Read and match the words in the board to the picture. На старт, внимание, марш. Прочитайте и подберите слова к картинкам. In the USA, children love running in races. On Sports Day, children take part in lots of fun races. The sack race is very popular. The runners get into a sack to run the race. It's great fun. There's also ball and spoon race. The winner is the first one to finish with the ball still on the spoon. Another favorite is the three-legged race. In this race, two people tie a leg together to run. It's not as easy as it looks. The answers: sack race, ball and spoon race, three-legged race. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Correct the sentences. On King's Park Day, children take part in lots of fun races. They get into a sack and crawl. There's also the dish and spoon race. Another favorite is the four-legged race. Исправь предложение. The answers. On Sports Day, children take part in lots of fun races. They get into a sack and run. There's also the ball and spoon race. Another favorite is the three-legged race. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. What fun races are there in your country? Mine one for the class to guess. Какие забавные соревнования проводятся у нас в стране? Изобрази их одноклассникам, чтобы они догадались. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.